Sometimes survival grows wild. When resources were scarce, knowledge of wild plants became essential. Beets, deep red, staining hands and cutting boards. Beets, both root and top, provided color and nutrition. Dandelion greens, bitter leaves often called weeds, were gathered and cooked as greens. Bitter greens cleanse the body, strengthen it. For enslaved Africans and poor rural black families, foraging wasn't trendy. It was necessary for when rations ran thin. This wasn't desperation alone. It was necessary. These plants required knowledge, which leaves to pick, when to harvest, how to prepare. That knowledge was power. Beets and dandelion tops tell a story of intimacy with the land, even when the land was not owned. They represent wisdom passed quietly from elder to child. Food found in plain sight. This is Soul Food Stories. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.